Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a game changer in the world of cleaning, the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray, available in a 12-pack set, measuring 16 inches 16. Stay tuned to find out why this is the best microfiber cleaning cloth on the market. Hello, everyone. We're diving right into the details of the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray. This cleaning cloth is setting new standards in the world of microfiber towels, and here's why. This USANOOKS microfiber cleaning cloth boasts a remarkable 10x grip root weave, which means it can trap more dirt, grime, and liquid than your average cleaning cloth. Think of it like plant root follicles, sucking up and locking away 8x to 10x its weight in liquid, particulates, moisture, grime, and dirt. Whether you're cleaning your car, kitchen, or any other surface, these ultra-absorbent microfiber towels get the job done in far less time than traditional, heavy-duty, cleaning rags. And here's the best part. These towels are performance optimized. They won't lint, scratch, pill, swirl, shed, or bleed like cheaply made alternatives. The rapid dry release layers make them ideal for achieving that spectacular, swirl-free mirror shine. Plus, these microfiber cleaning cloths last 1,200 plus washes, which is equivalent to 3.27 years of use in this 12-pack set. The overlock braided stitching adds to their durability, making them an eco-friendly and sustainable solution for cleaning every surface, crack, and crevice in your home, garage, or office. These microfiber towels are also 4x more absorbent than cotton cloths, which means they'll scoop up your messes, oils, and liquids faster than a sponge. More sanitarily than your mop, and with zero dangerous wet spots like your wet back. USANOOKS is so confident in its grip root technology that it offers a satisfaction guarantee. You can test these towels risk-free for 30 full days. If you don't love how they lock away dirt, dust, grime, spills, and messes better than any other high-performance cleaning rags you've tried, you get your money back. No hassle, gimmicks, or questions asked. So there you have it, folks. The USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray is a game-changer in the world of cleaning. With its exceptional absorbency, durability, and performance, it's a must-have for every household. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the best microfiber cleaning cloth available on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert product reviews.